On the Ickonic .connect, the news show this week, the dangers for the alternative media of here and no further. We have the lies, the unbelievable lies about January the 6th, exposed this week by footage from inside the Capitol building, which shows the scale of mendacity that has spewed from the mouths of the authorities about what happened. And talking of lies, I was banned in the spring of 2020 for saying, among other things, what has now been shown to be true by WhatsApp messages connected to the health secretary at the time in Britain, Matt Hancock. And then, anyone fancy a lithium battery? But never mind, it's great to save us from climate change. That's the Ickonic .connect, the news show from Friday every week, 7 p.m. UK, and you can take out a free 7-day trial whenever you like.